Welcome back to the channel, Central Wisconsin's home of muscle. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys the final update here on the 68 Oldsmobile Cutlass Hearst 442 Tribute, whatever you want to call this thing. It is officially ready to go over for wiring and electrics. So I thought I'd give you guys a full tour. See, I put that decal on the hood there. There was a big rust spot there that we welded up, and it wasn't like super minty, so we decided to go with that decal just to kind of hide it, because I didn't want to paintwork the whole car. You know, welding a spot in the middle of the hood is kind of a trick, so it actually hides it pretty well. You barely notice it. The other spot I welded up on the hood was up on the nose, and it still needs a little bit more, I guess, a glaze, but it's summertime. We want to get this thing out of here. We want to get this thing on the road, so that's what we're doing. I think it looks pretty slick. I went and buffed the car and polished everything up. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. Is it acceptable? Is it, for a daily driver? Definitely. This car is super sweet. It's got a bunch of really trick stuff underneath here. A lot of QA1 suspension stuff. All the suspension's been rebuilt. The whole chassis has been redone. Engine, transmission, all of it. And the last thing is the last shop I was at, they botched the wiring on the car, so we're sending over Aaron. He did all the wiring on my Bloody Mary, so I trust him. But yeah, we got the interior all back in. But this is what the last shop did. They cut this off and just direct wired it and didn't put a new one in there, so I ordered a new one. But this is probably a little beyond my skill set, since I am kind of colorblind. I'm not an electrician, so we're going to send that to Aaron. But yeah, other than that, the car's done. It does start and run. I started it up, but because of the wiring situation, I didn't want to let it run for too long. But yeah, it's done. I'm stoked at how it turned out. So there was a little glimpse of light. It's the first time that the sun has even like peeked out in the last couple weeks, so I wanted to get a video of it for you guys and show you how it turned out. I just finished, like I said, the whole detail on there, so. But yeah, they don't make them like that. That everybody says they don't make them like this no more. They really don't make them like this, because Oldsmobile is no longer in business. Yep. So I built this car. It's a tribute, to I guess my stepdad that passed away in a drunk driving accident. He was a huge Oldsmobile Cutlass aficionado, and made me one too, I guess. I always had a thing. I posted this is far superior to a 68 Chevelle. It even has one more cubic inch. And 442, 4 barrels, 4 speeds, dual exhaust. But I'll quit rambling now. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I don't make any money. This is like the world's poorest YouTube channel. So I don't make any money from doing any of this stuff. This is all kind of like pro bono, just for saving these old cars. So a great way to support the channel is to just like the videos, hit the subscribe button, and share them with your followers and your fans and friends. So if you could just do that, that would really help the channel out a lot and help us rescue a few more of these. Next up on the chopping block is the 71, which we have dubbed Big Fish. So I watched the movie again yesterday because it was Father's Day. RIP to all the dads that passed away and weren't here, and people that didn't get to spend time with their fathers. I am a father, so luckily I got spoiled a little bit yesterday. The kids cooked me kebabs, and I got to watch the NASCAR race, so you can't really ask for anything more than that. But if you're still watching, thank you. See you soon.